Hello everyone, my name is Greena. I'm based out of Mumbai and I work as a senior manager in one of the leading ITS company. I wanted to look for a Ayurvedic retreat that would give me some mental as well as some physical fitness, and I came to know about Shathayu through internet on Google search. I read very nice genuine reviews and I thought to give it a try. So I came to this place for a short period though, but I really like the vibes, the people, the staff, especially the food. It's definitely very calming, very soothing, and it's made to the health benefits. So everything is very much sattvic in nature, as they call it, and it's very beneficial for your health. Also, I tried some yoga poses. I was very lucky here to be on an international yoga day. So had a very nice experience of learning some very good yoga practices, some benefits of yoga and how it would really enrich your life. I would definitely recommend this place for all of you who are looking for an Ayurvedic retreat for you and your family. So do come and check out. Thank you very much.